Good morning, kids. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to start our next chapter, which is Animals How Life Goes On. So, write date over here, that is 12th May. In this chapter, we will talk about how the animals reproduce, how they are known as mammals, how they take care of their babies, and how their life cycle goes on. So this get started section you will do on your own. So let's start the chapter. Living things do not live forever. We all know after completing their time period they all die. So they die after completing their lifespan. Lifespan means a period of time for which a living thing live or they are expected to live. For life to go on, living things must produce more of their own kind. लाइफ टू गो ऑन लिविंग थिंग्स को क्या करना पड़ता है, प्रोड्यूस करने पड़ते हैं मोर ऑफ देयर ओन काइंड, अपने जैसे ही. द प्रोसेस बाय विच लिविंग थिंग्स प्रोड्यूस मोर ऑफ देयर ओन काइंड इज कॉल्ड रिप्रोडक्शन. रिप्रोडक्शन मीन्स गिविंग बर्थ टू बेबीज और वी कैन से टू हैव बेबीज. एनिमल्स रिप्रोड्यूस इन टू डिफरेंट वेज. एनिमल्स क्या है, टू डिफरेंट वेज में रिप्रोड्यूस करते हैं. हाउ? First one is they give birth to young ones, and the second way is by laying eggs. The first is they give birth to young ones, just like cats and cow. They give birth to young ones, and some by laying eggs. Frogs and snakes, they lay eggs, and from these eggs babies hatch out, or we can say came out. So here are some pictures showing that how the living things reproduce for life to go on. So the next is some animals give birth to young ones. When there are we have told you they give birth to young ones. So the animals which give birth to young ones and feed them, और जो उन्हें feed भी करते हैं on their own milk, they are called mammals, and they are the most developed among all animals. Their bodies, and this is the one quality of these mammals, for remembering, that is the best thing. Their bodies are covered with hair. उनकी bodies क्या होती है, cover होती है. किससे cover होती है? hair से. Some examples of mammals are cat, horse, goat and rabbit. They are the examples of mammals. Their bodies covered with hairs. Now you can think कि मैम ह्यूमंस की बॉडी पे भी बहुत सारे हेयर्स होते हैं. येस, ह्यूमंस टू आर मैमल्स. ह्यूमंस भी क्या है, मैमल्स हैं. दो बैट्स जो हैं फ्लाई लाइक बर्ड्स. बैट्स क्या करती हैं, फ्लाई करती हैं किसकी तरह, बर्ड्स की तरह, बट दे आर मैमल्स टू. बैट्स भी क्या है, मैमल्स हैं. एंड द स्मॉलेस्ट लिविंग मैमल, जो सबसे छोटा लिविंग मैमल है, इज़ द किटीज होग नोज्ड बैट. दैट इज़ किटीज होग नोज्ड बैट. दैट इज़ द वेरी smallest living mammal on the earth. So here this picture showing how the mammals nourishing their babies with their milk, and this mammal how it is taking care of their young ones. So this bat, that kitty's hook-nosed bat, that is about 1 inch long, very short. It is about 1 inch long and weight is 2 gram. That is very light in weight. So do you know that whales and dolphin, even they look like fish, they have hairless body, they are also mammals. So fish or whales क्या है हमारी, they are also mammals. So the next one is care of the young ones. Just like your mother, your parents, they are taking care of you na, in the same way mammals take care of their babies for a long period of time. Usually the mothers care for the young. Obviously your mother care for you na. In the same way mammals की जो mother हैं, they care for the young ones. She feeds the babies just like our mothers. They feed the babies, cleans them and keep them warm, and she protect them from enemies just like our mothers. They are taking care of their babies as they grow. जैसे जैसे वो बड़े होते हैं, the mother teaches them to find food. She helps them to find the food and they tell them that how to live on their own. In the certain mammal, जो सर्टेन मैमल्स हैं, कुछ मैमल्स ऐसे में जिसमें फादर ऑल्सो हेल्प, फादर भी क्या करते हैं, हेल्प करते हैं। ही हंट द फूड एंड गार्ड द यंग वंस, वो क्या करते हैं, हंट करते हैं फूड के लिए, एंड दे प्रोटेक्ट देम फ्रॉम देयर एनिमीज। ह्यूमन बींग्स आर द ओनली मैमल्स, ह्यूमन बींग्स ही हैं सिर्फ ऐसे मैमल्स हु लुक आफ्टर not only their children but their grandchildren too, just like they are talking about your grandparents, your grandparents take care of you na, that's why they are taking that's why they are talking that humans being are the only mammals who look after not only the children, वो सिर्फ अपने बच्चों को ही की केयर नहीं करते, अपने ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रंस जो हैं उनकी भी केयर करते हैं। So the next one is some animals lay eggs. So the first one is birds. We all know birds reproduce. How they reproduce? By laying eggs. And these जो babies हैं, they hatch out from these eggs after a period of time. After some time we can say. Most bird build nest to lay eggs. We all know, we have seen on the trees there is nest. There are so many nests, and that's birds build nest to lay eggs. They sit on the eggs to keep them warm. वो क्या करते हैं, उनके ऊपर सिट करते हैं so that they keep them warm. After some time the eggs hatch and baby bird come out. After some time क्या करते हैं, वो eggs से hatch out हो जाते हैं. The eggs of the all birds have similar internal structure. जो eggs का जो birds हैं उनके eggs का structure क्या होता है, सबका similar ही होता है. Each egg has a hard protective outer shell. जो हर एक egg है उसकी जो shell हार्ड प्रोटेक्टिव आउटर शेल होती है बाहर वाली साइड. विद इन द शेल देयर इज ए एग वाइट विच इज़ कॉल्ड एल्ब्यूमन. उसे क्या बोलते हैं, एल्ब्यूमन बोलते हैं. विद इन द एल्ब्यूमन इज़ द राउंड येलो योक. और जो एल्ब्यूमन के अंदर होती है दैट इज़ येलो, दैट व्हाट वी कॉल टू दैट इज़ योक. लुक हेयर इन दिस पिक्चर. दिस वन इज एग शेल, द हार्डेस्ट कवर और दैट प्रोटेक्ट द albumin. The next one is, this is egg white, this is albumin, and this yellow part, this is yolk. So here that this picture shows the different stages of development of a chick, how a chick develop. The chick is formed and grow inside the yolk. Chick कहाँ grow करते हैं, inside the yolk. A growing baby is called embryo. जो एक growing baby है, baby जैसे जैसे grow कर रहा है, that is called embryo. The chick embryo uses the yolk as its food. जो ये येलो वाला पार्ट है, ये चिक क्या करता है, इट इज़ द चिक यूजेज इट एज इट्स फूड. द एम्ब्रियो डेवलप ओनली इफ़ एग इज़ केप्ट वॉर्म. एम्ब्रियो जो है वो कब डेवलप होगा, जब एग क्या हो, वॉर्म होगा. तभी तो बर्ड्स क्या करते हैं, दे सिट ऑन द एग्स टू कीप द एग्स वॉर्म. एंड द चिक्स कम आउट आफ्टर 21 days. जो चिक है वो कब बाहर आता है, आफ्टर 21 days, आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग इट बर्थ प्रोसेस. सो लेट्स talk about their birth process. In the first one you can see here, this one is the beginning. This is our egg shell. This white egg white is albumin, and this one is yolk. This one you can see here, embryo. It's in the on the 5th day, and on the 10th day you can clearly see the large eyes are seen. You can see there are eyes are easily visible. On the 15th to 20th day we are able to see wings, legs and body. They are clearly seen. On the 21st day from the egg a chick comes out. So this is the process, different stages of development of a chick embryo. So but what is the most important thing? The most important thing is the egg should be warm. Eggs को क्या करना चाहिए, the embryo developed only if the egg is if the egg is kept warm. So this was all about our chapter number 3. What you have to do, you have to do this get started section on your own, and also you have to try these checkpoints on your own and read chapter up to here. And also start learning chapter number